It is Monday morning. The sun is shining. Emma wakes up early. She is 13 years old. She lives in a small city. Today is her first day at a new school. She is excited but also nervous. Her mother gives her breakfast. "Good luck, Emma," she says. Emma smiles. "Thank you, Mom." She takes her backpack. In her backpack, she has a pencil case, a notebook, lunch, and her favorite book. The backpack is blue and green. It is her favorite backpack. Emma walks to the bus stop. She waits 5 minutes. The school bus comes. She gets on the bus. She sits near the window. She sees trees, cars, and many people. On the bus, she meets a boy. His name is Leo. "Hi, I'm Leo," he says. "Hi, I'm Emma," she answers. They smile. They talk about music and books. Emma feels happy now. She is not nervous anymore. The bus stops at the school. Many students get off. Emma and Leo walk together. The school is big. There are many classrooms and a big playground. Emma goes to class. She puts her backpack near her desk. She meets her teacher. Her name is Ms. Anna. "Welcome to class, Emma," she says. It is 12 o'clock. It is time for lunch. Emma goes to the cafeteria. She wants to eat her sandwich. But something is wrong. She looks around. She cannot find her backpack. She runs back to the classroom. It is not there. She checks the hallway. No backpack. Emma feels scared. "What can I do?" she thinks. Emma sees Leo in the hallway. She tells him, "I lost my backpack." "Don't worry," says Leo. "Let's find it together." They check the cafeteria. They check the playground. Finally, they go to the school office. The school secretary smiles. "Are you looking for this?" she asks. She holds a blue and green backpack. "Yes, that's mine," says Emma. She is so happy. "Where was it?" "It was on the art room floor," the secretary says. Emma laughs. "I went to the art room this morning. I forgot it there." Emma says thank you to the secretary. She thanks Leo too. "You are a good friend," she says. Leo smiles, "You too." Later that day, Emma goes home. Her mom asks, "How was your first day?" Emma says, "It was a big adventure." They both laugh. Emma learned something important. Even when things go wrong, a good friend can help. That was the end of our story. Thanks for watching. Now, we have some questions for you. Let's see how well you remember the story.